Good morning, children. Today our topic is features of democracy. Democracy is a form of government in which the rulers are elected by the people and they perform many work. But this raised many questions. Who are the rulers? What kind of election constitutes? Who are the people who can elect the rulers? What kind of a form of democracy? So let us consider this question with the help of some example. You can see in the map, different countries are shown: democratic, monarchical and dictatorship. A democratic government is one in which the people's representative participate in decision-making process. They own a collective responsibility for all the decisions taken by the government. There are examples where representative of people are chosen, but they are not allowed to participate in decision making process. This happens in many dictatorships and monarchies. For example, currently in Pakistan, under General Musharraf in Pakistan, General Pervez Musharraf acquired power in October 1999 through an military coup. In Pakistan, though they formally have an elected parliament, recently you can see the parliament picture here of Pakistan and government, but the real power is with those who are not elected, not withstanding the existence of elected national and provincial assemblies. Generally, the power remain in the hands of military. These countries cannot be classified as a democratic country, but still they are considered as a democratic country, but actually they are not. This gives us the first feature. In a democracy, the final decision making power must rest with those elected by the people. A democracy must be based on a free and fair election. It generally happens in India, free and fair election, and people are very thankful to the government for democracy. Each person generally has her or his own value as the caste vote after a particular age. But in China, elections are regularly held after 5 years for electing the country's parliament, but still it cannot be called democratic country. In China, elections are regularly held after 5 years for electing the country's parliament. You can see called Guangyu Renmin Daibiao Da Hui, means National People's Congress. The National People's Congress has the power to appoint the president of the country. It has nearly 3,000 members elected from all over China. Some members are elected by the army. But president is elected by, already I discussed, National People's Congress Party. In picture it is also shown here. Before contesting election, a candidate needs the approval of the Chinese Communist Party. Only those who are members of the Chinese Communist Party or 8 smaller parties allied to it were allowed to contest election held in 2002 and 3. The government is always formed by the Communist Party. If China had multi-party elections, an opposition party and an independent press, then so many people may not have died during the famine of 1958 and 61. You can see in the picture, the famine affected very badly to number of peoples. They died because of starvation. Since its independence, now we can take the example of Mexico. Since its independence in 1930, Mexico holds election after every 6 years. Please underline every 6 years. To elect its president. The country has never been under military or dictator's rule. But still it cannot be called democratic country. Because one man show is there. Free and fair election is the basic feature of democracy, but in Mexico this is not so. Free elections are not contested there. In Mexico until 2000, every election was won by a party called PRI. PRI means Institutional Revolutionary Party. Opposition parties did contest elections but never managed to win. The PRI was known to use many dirty tricks to win elections. You can underline in your book about the dirty tricks of PRI. All those who were employed in government offices had to attend its party meetings. Teachers of the government schools used to force parents to vote for the PRI. Students, those don't have book, they can note down in their registers. Free and free electoral competition. Mexico. Sometimes the polling booths were being shifted. Parents are being compelled. They had to attend meetings. Sometimes school strikes also. Parents started withdraw their children. There is no role of opposition because generally it is neglected by the press. You can see in the picture, polling booths were shifted from one place to another in the last minute, which made it difficult for people to cast their votes. The PRI spent a large sum of money in the campaign for its candidates. So generally, opposition is neglected by media. That's all. The rest I will discuss in my another video. Thank you.